Hello and welcome back everyone, Brandon here with Slingmods.com. Today we have our premium foam hand grips for the Can-Am Ryker and Can-Am Spyder models. If you own a Can-Am Ryker or Spyder and have ever traveled long distance, then you may have noticed that your hands and fingertips can get tingly while riding, or even go numb in some cases. Now, we've been selling our original slip-on foam hand grip covers for years to combat this issue, and as you can see by our reviews, customers absolutely love them. Well, today we're happy to announce that in addition to our original foam hand grips, we now offer our premium foam hand grips. These premium grips are the same diameter as our original grips, but provide you with a smooth leather-like finish that resists tearing and makes cleaning up dirt and debris no problem at all. Now, these grips are sold as a pair and have been designed specifically for the Can-Am Spyder and Ryker application and install in no time at all thanks to the use of some hand sanitizer. So if you own a Spyder, start by adding some hand sanitizer to the inside of your new foam grip and then coat the outside of your stock grip. Now quickly slide the new foam grip on before it dries. And repeat that for the other side. Now, if you're installing on a Ryker that's equipped with factory handguards, you'll need to first use a 3mm Allen wrench to unscrew and remove the two end clamps. And then use a T30 Torx to unscrew and remove your bar end mirror. Next, use some hand sanitizer to coat the stock grip. As well as the inside of your new foam grip, before quickly sliding it on before it dries. Now just reinstall your hand guards. And your bar end mirror. And then repeat that for the other side. So if reducing hand fatigue is on your mod list, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a set of premium foam hand grips for your Can-Am Ryker or Can-Am Spyder. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Ryker and Spyder. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.